Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing live inputs. Open your charts and load the 1M, 5M, 1H, and daily timeframes so you see context. Next, apply a trend filter such as SMA 50 and a volatility filter like ATR 14. These quickly separate noise from setups. While the platform scans, filter your watch list for instruments showing greater than 1% daily range or volume rising by 50%. This immediately focuses you on actionable candidates. Once you have candidates, confirm alignment across timeframes. Make sure price sits above SMA 50 on higher frames and ATR shows expansion on lower frames because momentum matters. Then identify market structure, clear support, resistance, and swing points, and mark confluence zones where multiple signals overlap. Define your entry trigger, whether a breakout or pullback, and set initial risk per trade between 0, 5, and 1% of your equity. This keeps losses controlled while letting winners run. You execute with clear entries and hard stop losses. Place your stop where structure invalidates the trade and size position, so that risk equals 0, 5 to 1% of equity. Once filled, manage the trade. Take partial profits at predefined milestones, trail the stop after the trade has achieved 1 times risk, and let winners run toward targets of 1.5 to 3 times risk. If market noise or unexpected news invalidates the setup, cut at half a risk and reassess to protect capital.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.